Here are the 5 top ways to resolve conflict. Every project should have conflict. Conflict means you have passionate individuals that may disagree on perspective. That's okay. Promote it. But understand, when you have that conflict and it's getting out of hand and emotion is starting to get involved, people are taking things personally, quickly move to one of these 5 strategic approaches to resolve that conflict. Number 1, problem solve. That's generally the best one because it takes both individuals, actively engages them to identify something to resolve that problem. Both are involved. Compromise is where you're in the middle and you're trying to get them almost like a yield. Each side wants to kind of give up a little where it's something in the middle. They meet in the middle. Smoothing is where now you are trying to coordinate and say, promote the positives. Come on, you two. I know you're arguing and that, but remember last week how well you got along and you got through it. So emphasize the positives and they'll get through it. Withdraw is you don't actually have a lot of time, so you're hoping that they're going to deal with it. You're hoping that they are going to resolve it on their own. There is a risk because if they don't, you better check up on them the next day because then it could be worse. So at least this is the least amount of effort and it's just you're hoping they figure it out. Forcing is you're coming down hard and as a dictator style, you're saying this is what is going to happen. The conflict is done and this is the resolution. So you are pulling a bit of rank on that one and forcing a solution. Here's your top 5 conflict management approaches.